Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare classic Maharashtrian comfort food consisting of whole wheat dough pieces cooked in spice lentil curry varan. It is traditionally enjoyed as a one dish meal during all seasons. In Maharashtra, this recipe is known as Varan Chakolya or Varan Fal, also as Daldhokli. Ingredients needed for this lentil curry varan are tur dal, split pigeon peas 1 cup, pressure cook and mash. For tempering we need 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds and curry leaves. For flavoring we need 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, turmeric powder, half tablespoon of turmeric and garam masala also. For aromatics we need crushed ginger garlic paste and 3 to 4 chilies paste. For making chakolya or fal, we need wheat flour, 2 to 3 cups, salt for taste, 1 tablespoon oil for kneading, and pinch of turmeric or carom seeds as flavor. First step is to pressure cook the dal or varan for making chakolya. Rinse 1 cup of tur dal, split pigeon peas 2 to 3 times under running water until the water runs relatively clear. Soak for dal at least 15 to 30 minutes before cooking to reduce cooking time. Add turmeric powder and salt to taste before closing the pressure cooker lid. Cook for 3 to 4 whistles on medium flame. Pressure cook on high heat for about 10 minutes. Allow the pressure cook to release. And once the pressure is gone, use traditional wooden whisk to beat the dal until it reaches creamy, uniform consistency and mash it. If dal is too thick for chakolya, add little water at this stage. Give it a quick boil. Mash dal or varan with spoon or potato masher is most effective way to achieve the smooth, creamy paste required for authentic Varan Fal. Next step is to prepare the varan tadka. Heat desi ghee or oil in a deep pan. Add cumin seeds, mustard seeds and let them crackle. Add garlic paste and saute until the garlic turns golden color. Also add curry leaves and fresh green coriander leaves. Stir it well with garlic paste. Also add green chilies paste and saute it for about 1 minute. Stir continuously so the ingredients should not burn. At this stage, add mashed dal or varan, 2 to 3 cups of water also. The consistency should be thin as the dough will thicken it. Add garam masala, red chili powders, jaggery also. Bring this to rolling boil. Stir it again. Turn the heat to medium and bring the spice dal to rolling boil. Always wait for the dal to reach vigorous boil before you just start dropping in your dough pieces. Pour this dal mixture in a pressure cooker. Next step is to prepare the dough. Knead the wheat flour with salt, oil and water into stiff, smooth dough. After preparing the dough, let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes. Mix this wheat flour with hands. Roll the rested dough into thin roti or chapati. Use knife or cutter to cut into small square or diamond shape or ring shape circles. We can also use sharp edge glass to cut the rolls or circles. Place the inverted glass firmly onto the rolled dough. Give it slight twist. Cut the circles as close to each other as possible to minimize leftover dough scraps. Ensure the spice dal or varan is at rolling boil before adding them. Drop the circles into the pot one at a time. If you dump them all at once, they will clump into single mass. After adding a few, give a pot very gentle stir with a thin spatula to keep them submerged and separate. Make next batch ready. Using inverted glass is great shortcut to get perfectly uniform circular chakolya. Take medium size ball and rested wheat dough. Make a circle and cut the circle as close to each other as possible to minimize leftover dough or scraps. Drop the next batch into the rolling boil varan or spice dal. Drop the next batch directly into the boiling dal. The boiling action will set the shape instantly so it doesn't unfold. Work fast with the remaining circles so the entire batch cooks at the same time. Close the lid of pressure cooker and simmer on medium-low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Open the lid after 5 minutes. Give it very gentle stir from bottom to ensure nothing is sticking at the base of cooker. After 15 minutes, ensure your Varan Chakolya is perfectly cooked and doesn't remain raw in the center. Once cooked, turn off the heat and let the pot set covered for 5 minutes. This resting time allows the chakolya to soak up the spicy dal flavors even more. Serve it hot in a deep bowl or traditional plate. Add generous dollop of homemade ghee on the top. Sprinkle finely chopped green coriander leaves. Squeeze bit of fresh lemon juice over it right before eating. If the dal or lentils curry thickens too much while sitting, or simply stir in 1/4 cup of boiling water and pinch of salt to loosen it before serving. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Give a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.